So in last video what we studied algebra of limits and different types of methods for evaluation of a limit, direct substitution method, factorization method, rationalization method and some standard limit. In that just one illustration I explained. Now we will see some examples. So as you can see here now, example number one, what they're telling, limit x tends to 1 x square plus 1 upon x plus 1. Okay, so whenever the limit question is coming, first you think if direct substitution is possible or not. Okay, direct substitution when you can do sorry, when after substituting the value function is still in consistent state. So very clearly you can see if I am keeping here x is equal to 1, the denominator is coming non-zero quantity only. That means your direct substitution method will work. So when you are applying a limit, what I will write, when you are applying a limit you should not write a limit symbol. Okay, so here what will happen, 1 square 1 plus 1, as it is here also 1 plus 1, the answer will be what, 2 over 2, answer is 1. That means if x is approaching to 1, this function is also approaching towards water 1 only. Second example you can see here also the denominator is x plus 2. So if you're keeping here x is equal to 3, a denominator is coming non-zero quantity. So 3 plus 2 will be 5 and 3 square 9 minus 9 will be 0. So 0 over 5 answer will be 0. Okay, numerator can be 0 but denominator cannot be 0. So here these limiting value what you got 0. That means what we can understand, if x is approaching to 3, this function is approaching towards water 0. Okay, these are very straightforward. Example number 3, here also you can put x is approaching to 1, the denominator will be what, under root 1, which is 1. Okay, now under root 1 will be just 1 only, don't write plus or minus 1. Square root of any number is always positive. We will study more about these in what we can say the relation and the function chapter. Okay, see if I have x square is equal to 1, so if I am commenting what can be x, so you will tell x is equal to plus or minus 1, because x equal to 1 will satisfy this equation and x equal to minus 1 also will satisfy this equation. Okay, but under root 1 is always 1. Okay, these always keep in mind. So here if you're keeping x is equal to 1, what I will get, 1 plus I to root 9, which is 3. The answer is what, just 3. So if x is approaching to 1, this function is approaching towards what, 3. So these three example direct substitution method, just you to put a value and simplify. Class. Okay, now you can see this example number 4. Okay, example number 4 what telling, see now here direct substitution method will work, so we will check first that. Okay, 2, if you're keeping 2 square 4, 2 2s are 4, and here what I have the minus 3. Okay, so here denominator is coming what, a non-zero quantity, so that means direct substitution method will work very nicely. Okay, so here also you can do. So what will happen here, if I am doing this by direct substitution method, I'll put here x equal to 2, the 2 square 4, 2 4s 8 plus 3, and divide by this will be what, 2 square 4 minus 2 2s are 4 minus 3. So numerator will be what, 4 plus 3 7 minus 8 is minus 1 and this is minus 3. So what answer I will get, 1 over 3. Okay, however see here factorization is possible, so this question you can do by factorization method also. Okay, factorization method if you want to apply, alternatively see here, then what you will do, you know the splitting middle term. So factors of 3 whose addition is 4, 3 ones are 3, the two factors what I will write here, x minus 3 and x minus 1. Denominator factors of 3 whose subtraction is 2, the 3 ones are 3, the what I will write, x minus 3 and x plus 1. So very clearly you can understand x minus 3 will get cancelled. So what I will get here, limit x tends to 2, numerator is x minus 1 and denominator is what, x plus 1. Now you can do direct substitution method. So 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 plus 1 is what, 3. The answer what I will get, 1 over 3. Okay, so this question you can do by using both methods. Okay, but you will not go with method number 2 if substitution method is working. Method number 2 you will go when denominator is what, a 0. Now see this example. Here you can see 5 square will be what, 25 and 5 sevens are 35. Okay, and this is what, 10th. Very clearly you can see the denominator is what coming here, 0. That means here direct substitution method will not work. So what you will do, you don't have choice except factorization method. or you can do L'Hospital rule also, but for that we have to understand sorry, the derivative. So once the derivative part is done, I will explain you L'Hospital rule also, which will be helpful from MCQ point of view. Okay, because your term 1 exam will be based on MCQ. So based on that it will be helpful. Now listen here. Limit x tends to phi, a denominator factorization, so we can understand factors of 10 whose addition is 7. Okay, this we learning from grade 8-9. So factors of 10 whose addition is 7 is what? Phi 2s are 10. So two factors, what I will write, one of the factor is x minus phi, and other factor is what? X minus 2. Okay, like this you can factorize. Why direct substitution method will not work? Because if you're keeping x equal to phi here, the denominator is coming 0. Now how to factorize the numerator? What is the numerator? X cube minus 25. So for that you must know here one identity, algebraic identity, okay, that we studied in grade 9. What is a cube minus b cube? Okay, so try to revise all these identity properly. So what is a cube minus b cube? When both are the perfect cube, how to factorize these? One small bracket you will write a minus b, and second big bracket you will write from this small bracket. How to write square of first term, which is a square, minus will become plus, like that you can remember. First term into second term, which is ab, last term always plus, and square of last term means b, which is b square. So what is a cube minus b cube? A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. If I want to write a formula for a cube plus b cube, so a cube plus b cube will be what? A plus b, and here plus will become minus, but last term will remain plus only. Okay, like this you can write. I wrote here in one form only. See separately if I am writing, if I am asking what is a cube plus b cube, so a cube plus b cube, what I will write? One bracket, small bracket, a plus b. Second bracket, what I will write? A square, opposite sign minus, first term into second term, last term always plus, and square of second term, which is b square. Like this you can write. Okay. So very clearly you can see here x cube minus 1 to 5, what I will write? 1 to 5 is a 5 cube basically, and this is x to the power 3. So what I will write? X minus 5, and second bracket, what? Square of x, which is x square, minus will become plus, x into 5, how much you will write? 5x, last term always plus, and then you will do square of 5, which will be what? 25. So very clearly we can understand, after doing this much factorization, what we can understand, x minus 5 will get cancelled, right? See, these limit symbol you have to write till you applying limit. Okay, so what if you're writing subjective paper? Otherwise fine. So limit x tends to 5, so these will get cancelled. The what remaining in the numerator? X square plus 5x plus 25 over what I will write here? X minus 2. Okay, after doing this again you will see now direct substitution method is working. If working, be happy. If not working, factorize, then be happy. Okay, that means in both cases you have to be happy. So now if you are applying a limit here, what is here? Phi square will be what? 25. Here 5 5s are 25, and this 25 as it is. Divide by what I will do? 5 minus 2, which is 3. So 25 25 25 will be what? Basically 75, and 75 over 3, answer will be what? Just 25. So what limiting value you got here? 25. I hope this you understood, everyone. See one more time. First I am doing this factorization by applying a cube minus b cube identity, x minus 5 x square plus 5x plus 25. These factors of 10 whose sum is 7, x minus 5 x minus 2 I did, and here x minus 5 got cancelled. These as it is, control C control V, copy paste, and put here 5 columns. Okay, 25 25 will come how many times? 3 times. So 3 times 25, 3 3 tata bye bye, you got answer 25. I hope this is clear for everyone. Okay.